How to get active developer badge on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Discord, then create a server on Discord. After creating any server, click on the option over here and go to the server settings. And under these settings, you would be able to find this option of enable community. Under community, simply click on this option of get started. Now enable various settings over here and click on next, and after that click on this option of I agree and understand, then click on finish setup. After that, open up this Discord applications for the developers. Simply type this on your Google, which is Discord developer portal, and this is where it will take you. Simply open it up, then create a new application over here and give the name for this particular application and click over here. I have already created one for me. You can go and create one for you as well. After that, enable different settings as per your needs and requirements on the privileged gateway intents and save the changes. After that, you get the option to reset token. Simply click on it and you would get a token. Just simply copy the token and open up botghost.com and click on this option of create bot, and here you would need to authorize it on your Discord server, and here it would require you to paste the token that you copied from the reset tokens. And after that, make sure that you enable the option of active developer badge. After that, you need to invite this particular bot to your server which you just created, and you can do so by clicking on the option of left hand side panel. And after inviting the bot to your server, you can open up your server and type / then select the option of active developer badge and simply select it, and this way you would be able to check out your status of the active developer badge. It might take a little while before you get it, so just keep checking this particular option in order to check your status, and this way you would be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.